Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Kessler Syndrome. Why in news? Kessler Syndrome, a theoretical phenomena, is becoming a real concern due to the growing accumulation of space debris. The scenario predicts a chain reaction of satellite collisions that could render low Earth orbit unfit for use. Scientists warn that the increasing number of satellites launched, especially with the rise of private space exploration, is exacerbating the problem. There are concerns that Kessler syndrome might soon be triggered, affecting space exploration and satellite functionality. What is Kessler syndrome? Kessler syndrome was proposed by NASA scientist Donald J. Kessler in 1978 as a potential chain reaction of satellite collisions in lower Earth orbit. It occurs when the density of objects in lower Earth orbit becomes critical, triggering collisions that create more debris. These collisions create high-velocity debris, further jeopardizing satellites and making space exploration increasingly difficult. Kessler syndrome is a theoretical scenario but has raised real concerns among scientists and space agencies. The issue has grown more urgent as space exploration becomes more commercialized and crowded. What could happen due to Kessler syndrome? Kessler syndrome could cause a cascade of collisions, making it nearly impossible to access space or launch rockets. The event could fill orbits with debris, damaging existing satellites and halting global communication, weather forecasting, and GPS systems. Space debris cleanup costs are high, and no international laws currently regulate debris removal in lower Earth orbit. The rapid increase in space objects has led to a looming threat of Kessler syndrome affecting future space missions. Now it's time for the practice question. What is the primary risk of Kessler syndrome? More efficient rocket launches, increased satellite communication, a chain reaction of debris collisions, or better space tourism? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.